The Landscapers Circle is an award-winning membership site for business owners in the landscaping industry. So whether you're a landscaper, garden designer or supplier, we're here for you.
As a fellow owner of a landscaping and design company, I know exactly how you feel when it comes to having no time, not spending enough time with the family, and also having to work in the evenings and weekends getting the quotes out to customers. This was essentially why TLC was born. We want to help you achieve success in your business, however that may look to you.
How do we do this? Through an ultimate package of tutorials, templates and support. Each month we release a new topic to add to the library. Now a topic is a subject such as Instagram or employment law or websites, and it consists of 4 video tutorials. These are quick and easy video tutorials ranging from 5 to 15 minutes to fit around your busy schedule. With each topic is a series of templates. These are custom to each topic. So for the email marketing topic, there are some email templates, for example.
As a TLC member, we offer you quite a lot of support actually in your journey. Now, that includes not only access to us via email, and you can also give us a call if you need, but it also means we can do success planning calls with you. We have the monthly group coaching, we have the Limitless Lives every month, and we also have a WhatsApp accountability group on some of the levels of membership.
These success planning calls are held monthly, where we help you craft custom goals for your business, what you want to achieve for that month, set you actionable tasks, and also keep you accountable from the previous month's actions. Monthly group coaching is a prime opportunity to pick Paula and I's brains. Each month we discuss members' businesses and have it as an open discussion to talk about various different topics. Whether it's a big or a small matter in your business, you can bring it to us and we can help you with this at group coaching.
We also offer something called Done For You services, where we can do a piece of work for you, such as a blog, or we can manage your social media profiles. But as a member, the best benefit is that you get 10% discount off this as well.
It is truly business and life-changing, but we're a little biased, so I think it's about time you heard from our members themselves.
I was so pleased to win the competition that you ran, because I was looking at your service and I thought, oh, I can't afford that because I'm right at the start of my journey, if you like. But the benefit that I've seen has, if I'd known that before I made that decision, I would have known that, yeah, actually I can't afford not to.
Obviously, I've been enjoying your Landscape Circle content, which has been great.
The moment I started working with Charlotte, my business started to change. I asked her to help me with GardenCOSTS, which had been going for 2 years, and so few people had heard of it. And I said, what am I doing wrong? I just don't understand it. And Charlotte has really been helping me. So if anybody is thinking of getting help with marketing, I can make no stronger recommendation. I'm really chuffed with what's been going on since I met Charlotte and Paula.
If you want to change your business and your life, now is the time. You can become a member and join the tribe to get access to all the tutorials, templates and support we have just discussed. We'll see you on the inside.